Hey everyone, Simon Says Money here. In this video, I will be explaining what has Cathie Wood done with several stocks, increased several stocks, reduced, and completely liquidated. I'll go into that in more detail. Before we get onto this video, don't forget to like and subscribe. And as a disclaimer, I'm not a financial advisor or CPA. Please do your own research and make your own investment decision. This is for education and entertainment purposes only. Now, with that being said, let's get on to this video. Cathie Wood's Ark Invest is very popular right now, and the purpose of Ark is to invest solely in disruptive innovation. In the Ark website, why innovation? Number 1, invest in the future today. Number 2, take advantage of market inefficiencies. And number 3, make the world a better place. I have posted 2 videos during the past month presenting Ark ETF, especially the video Ark X, in which I presented some potential stocks that could be candidates to be included in the new upcoming ETF, for example SPCE and NNDM. Now I even believe that the flying car SPAC company ACIC could be a potential stock to be included in the Ark X. For sure, the traditional company like Boeing could be a good candidate as well. Ark X will be a new Ark ETF in March. Today I'm going to present the stock that Cathie Wood's ETF newly added, increased the holding, reduced holdings, and liquidated the stocks. Let's take a look at what Ark recently added. We have ABBV, SGFV, CMLV, ACIC, and VUZI. Let's go into details in each of these stocks. The first stock that I am going to present is ABBV. AbbVie discovers, develops, manufactures, and sells pharmaceuticals. I am sure you have watched or read its ads on magazines or TV. Humira, a therapy administered as an injection for autoimmune and intestinal disease. Taking a look at the stock price, it has dropped slightly just a bit, and it is kind of consolidating, trading sideways at the moment. Here shows ARKG's last 4 buys in the past week. ARKG also holds about 610,000 shares of ABBV, representing about 0.51% of ARKG. Also, Warren Buffett recently added ABBV in his funds. In fact, ABBV gives shareholders about 4.9% dividend annually, which is pretty decent. Although Cathie Wood and Warren Buffett are completely two investors, one investing in the disruptive technologies, another investing in traditional and cyclic industries, but in this investment in a pharmaceutical company, it looks like that they have the same confidence in ABBV. The second stock Ark just added into its ETF is SGFY. Signify Health operates a healthcare platform that utilizes analytics, technology, and healthcare provider networks. The company operates in 2 segments, home and community services and episodes of care services. Its IPO date was February 11, 2021. Last week, Ark bought about 640,000 shares of SGFY. The third stock Ark just added into its ETF is CMLF. It is at $23.01, and Ark added 1.9 million shares at a value of $45 million. The SPAC company CLMF is targeting SEMA4, SEMA4 for a merger. SEMA4 is a patient-centered health intelligence company dedicated to advancing healthcare through data-driven insights. The fourth stock Ark just added into its ETF is ACIC, recently a very hot stock. Ark bought more than 385,000 shares. Atlas Crest Investment Corp focuses on effecting a merger, capital stock exchange, asset acquisition, stock purchase, reorganization, or similar business combination with one or more business in the leisure, gaming, and hospitality industry. Ark added 385,000 shares. Ark also bought 290 shares of VUZI. Vuzix Corporation designs, manufactures, markets, and sells augmented reality, wearable display, and computing devices for consumer and enterprise markets. The company offers its products in the form of smart glasses and AR glasses. Its personal display and wearable computing devices offer users a portable viewing experience, provide solutions for mobility, wearable displays, and virtual and augmented reality. On February 16th, BTIG starts Vuzix with a buy on broad adoption of AR smart glasses. BTIG analyst Matthew Van Vliet initiated coverage of Vuzix with a buy rating and $30 price target. The analyst claims that the future is here for the broad adoption of AR smart glasses across the enterprise landscape, adding that the advancement in mobile technology and the continuing investment in edge computing and 5G networks have finally enabled the wearable technology to potentially displace the current smartphone as the primary device. During the last 2 months, Vuzi's share price increased from around $4 to now around $23. Now Cathie Wood's ETF added Vuzi. I believe that the share price will go up further. Now let's take a look at what position Cathie Wood's ETF has increased. We have the stocks Tesla, Shopify, Square, Teladoc, and Unity. Let's go through each one of them. First is Tesla, Cathie Wood's favorite, increased by another $506 million in her ETF. Tesla stock share price is in consolidation stage during the last 3 weeks. I believe that as long as Elon Musk is still there, Tesla stock share price cannot go wrong too much. Especially if Elon Musk's SpaceX or part of SpaceX, for example his Starlink, goes public, Tesla's stock price will get another boost. The next one is Shopify. It has increased almost $335 million, currently trading at around $1,300. Shopify is an e-commerce company, provides commerce platform and services in Canada, US, the United Kingdom, Australia, and internationally. The company's platform provides merchants to run their business in various sales of channels, including web and mobile storefronts, physical retail locations, pop-up shop, social media storefronts, native mobile apps, buy buttons, and marketplaces, and enables to manage products and inventory, process orders and payment, fulfill and ship orders, new buyers, and build customer relationships. Here are when Ark has been buying the shop. Also taking a look at the report, back in December of 2019, they were in a loss in some areas, such as the net income. Now they have slowly reduced the loss and have turned those losses into profit. So very good earning report. The next one is Square, increased by $283 million. Square provides payment and point-of-sale solutions. The company's commerce ecosystem includes point-of-sale software and hardware that offers sellers to buyers payment and point-of-sale solutions. Currently, Square is trading at around $277. Square is also strategically in the cryptocurrency business. We can see that Ark continuously increased its holding on Square in its ETF funds. And in the Ark F, SQ's weight is very high, 9.64%, number 1 in the Ark F. In the Ark K, SQ's weight is also very high, 5.244%, number 3 in the Ark K. And in the Ark W, Square is also very high at 4.29%, number 3 in Ark W. It means that Cathie Wood has enormous confidence in this stock, Square. The fourth one is TDOC. It has increased by $242 million in Ark's ETF funds during the last week. Teladoc Health provides virtual healthcare services on a business-to-business basis. It covers various clinical conditions, including non-critical, episodic care, and the list goes on. The company's platform enables patients and providers to have an integrated smart user experience through mobile, web, and phone based on access points. It serves health employers, health plans, hospitals, health systems, and insurance and financial service companies. Currently, TDOC is trading around $276 and it has been consolidating the past 2 weeks. In the Ark G, it is number 1 at 8.43%, and Ark K, it is 5.23%, holding at number 4, and in Ark W, it's at 4.10%, coming in at number 4. The fifth one, Unity, increased by $219 million in Ark's ETF fund during the last week. Unity Software IPO'd in September of 2020, and it operates a real-time 3D development platform. Its platform provides software solutions to create, run, and monetize interactive, real-time 2D and 3D content for mobile phones, tablets, PCs, consoles, and augmented and virtual reality devices. The company offers a solution directly through its online store and field sales operations. Its stock price has been down recently, maybe because the expectation from the market was too high. Nevertheless, its IPO price was about $70 and it reached as high as $170 within 3 months, which was very impressive. It means that the market likes it. Now, some investors have been taking profits from the stock, which leads to its downturn recently. It may be a good opportunity to buy some more, especially with Cathie Wood's increase its holding in her ETF. Okay, I'm not going to get into the detail of the other stock that Cathie Wood's ETFs increased its holdings of. Here is a list of stock that Ark ETFs increased its holdings during the last 2 weeks. Number 6 to number 14, all of them increased by more than $100 million. It's noted that Ark increased its holding on Palantir recently. Even Palantir's latest earning report was not so good, and its lockup of inside sales expired last week. It means that Cathie Wood has plenty of confidence in the Palantir's business. Okay, so we have just talked about the newly added stock into the Ark's holding the past 2 weeks, and the stock that has increased its holdings from Ark. Now let's talk a little about the stock that Cathie Wood's ETF funds reduced its holding. The first one is SPLK, Splunk. Splunk develops and markets software solutions that enable organizations to gain real-time operational intelligence. The company offers Splunk Enterprise, a real-time data platform which includes collection, indexing, searching, reporting, analyzing, alerting, monitoring, and data managing capabilities. Ark's ETF decreased by $118 million of SPLK holdings. It means that Cathie Wood lost her confidence in this company. Currently, SPLK is trading at $160. Cathie Wood also reduced the holdings of PACB and PSTG. Therefore, we need to be careful if we do hold these stocks. Finally, let's take a look at the stock that Cathie Wood has liquidated the holdings in her ETF funds. AYLA. Ayala Pharmaceuticals. In fact, Ark just dumped one stock recently, and that is AYLA. In summary, Ark has just added its holdings on these 5 stocks, just increased its holding on these 14 stocks in a quantity of more than $100 million, reduced its holdings on these 3 stocks, and dumped completely the stock AYLA. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and comment below what you think about the Ark's fund. Ark had a huge drop today, as well as the tech stock, and I'm curious what you guys think about Cathie Wood and her rise to fame the last couple of months. Thanks so much for watching this video, and I'll see you guys in the next one.